14th one. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of next three terms is 128. Find A, R and Sn. Here product of the three terms is not given. So we are taking the usual normal terms A, AR, AR square. In the same order we take. If the product is given, we take the terms as A by R, A, AR. So product, if it is given, we can find A directly. So here we are taking the terms as sum of first three terms of a GP 16. So we take the first three terms A, AR, AR square. So sum of first three terms A plus AR plus AR square. These are the three terms of the GP. So sum of first three terms of the GP is 16. So that is equal to 16. And the sum of next three terms. So next term is AR cube. Next AR raised to 4, AR raised to 5. Like that the terms. So sum of first three terms 16. So sum of next three terms 128. That is AR cube plus AR raised to 4 plus AR raised to 5 equal to 128. Now first equation can be written as, we can take common factor. In the first equation we can write A into 1 plus R square equal to 16 in that first equation. And here we can take common factor AR cube. So AR cube into here 1 plus here AR raised to 4 divided by AR cube. That is only R. AR raised to 4 divided by AR cube. A cancelled. R raised to 4 by R raised to 3. R raised to 4 minus 3. That is R. So 1 plus here AR raised to 4 by AR cube. R plus AR raised to 5 by AR cube. That is R square equal to 128. That is equation 2. Now we can divide equation 2 by equation 1. So what we get? Equation 2 divided by equation 1. So here this side AR cube into 1 plus R square divided by A into 1 plus R square equal to 128 by 16. So A cancelled and 1 plus R square also cancelled. So R cube equal to 128 by 16. So here that is equal to 8. So R equal to 2. So we got the common ratio. So we want to find the A first term, common ratio and sum to n terms. So we got R equal to 2. We can substitute in equation 1. So substituting in 1 we get A into 1 plus R square equal to 16. So R equal to 2. So A into 1 plus 2 square. See, this is equation 1. We are substituting in equation 1. So A into 1 plus 2 square equal to 16. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So A into 7 equal to 16. A equal to 16 by 7. So we got the first term and common ratio. Then we can find Sn, sum to n terms. Now Sn equal to A into, here A equal to 16 by 7, R equal to 2. So we can find using the formula A into R raised to n minus 1 by R minus 1. A 16 by 7 into R raised to n, 2 raised to 7, 2 raised to n. Sum to n terms. So 2 raised to n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is equal to 16 by 7 into 2 raised to n minus 1. So we want to find the sum to n terms, Sn. So we got the answer here. So we got the first term A, common ratio 2, then Sn 16 by 7 into 2 raised to n minus 1. Now 15th one. 15th, given a GP with the first term A 729, 7th term. So A equal to 729. Then 7th term 64. So AR raised to 6 equal to 64. Formula for 7th term, a r raised to n minus 1, a r raised to 7 minus 1 equal to 64. We have to find S7. So, sum of 7 terms we have to find. So using this, substitute a here. So a 729 into r raised to 6 equal to 64. So r raised to 6 equal to 64 by 729. See, actually the 64 is same as 2 raised to 6 and 729 is 3 raised to 6. So we can write r raised to 6 equal to 2 by 3 whole raised to 6. So we can write, see, powers are equal. Therefore we can write r equal to 2 by 3. Therefore r equal to 2 by 3. So a is given, first term is given, and common ratio we got 2 by 3. Now what we want to find? We want to determine S7. Sum of 7 terms. We want to find S7. We can apply the formula. So S7 equal to, here common ratio is less than 1. So we can use the other formula. A into 1 minus r raised to n by 1 minus r. So we get, so A is 729, r is 2 by 3. So we can substitute in this formula. So A 729 and r equal to 2 by 3. Substitute in this formula. So S7 equal to A 729 into 1 minus 2 by 3 whole raised to n. Here we want to find S7. So we can apply n. A into 1 minus r raised to n. N equal to 7. Divided by, so A into, A is 729 into 1 minus r 2 by 3. 2 by 3 all raised to 7. Divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. That is 1 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. That is 1 by 3. So we got, now that we can simplify, that is equal to 729 into 3 by 1. So divided by 1 by 3 we can write into 3 by 1. So into 3 into 1 minus 2 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 7. Now we have to simplify that. So, find 2 raised to 7, then find 3 raised to 7, then find LCM, simplify and find the answer, final answer. Now 16th one, find a GP for which sum of first 2 terms is negative 4 and 5th term is find a GP for which sum of first 2 terms is negative 4. So we can write A plus AR equal to sum of first 2 terms is negative 4. Negative 4. So first 2 terms, first term A, second term AR. So A plus AR, sum of first 2 terms is negative 4. So A plus AR equal to negative 4. And one more condition given, 5th term is 4 times the 3rd term. We can apply that condition, 5th term. So A5 equal to 4 times the 3rd term. 4 into A3. That is A5. What is the formula for A5? A into R raised to 4. Nth term formula. A into R raised to n minus 1. So A into R raised to 4 equal to 4 into A3. A into R raised to 2. So formula for A3. Now we can simplify. See, cancel A from both sides and R square we can take this side. So R raised to 4 by R square equal to 4. So R square, A raised to m by A raised to n, A raised to 4 minus, R raised to 4 minus 2, R square equal to 4. Therefore R equal to plus or minus 2. So R has 2 values plus or minus 2. Now we can find, here question is, find a GP for which sum of first 2 terms, 5th term. So we have to find the GP. So we have to find first term and common ratio. Here we got common ratio. Now we can consider both the value of R and we can find A in each case. Then we can find the GP. So consider each case. If R equal to positive 2, substitute in this equation A plus AR equal to negative 4. Substitute in this equation. That is A into 1 plus R equal to negative 4. So substitute R equal to 2 here. So A into 1 plus 2 equal to negative 4. So a into 3 equal to negative 4, a equal to negative 4 by 3. So when r equal to 2, a is negative 4 by 3. Now if r equal to negative 2, consider the other value. Then what is a? Substitute here itself. So a into 1 plus r is negative 2 equal to negative 4. So a into negative 1 plus minus 2 minus 1 equal to negative 4. So a equal to 4. So in that case r equal to a is equal to 4. Now we can find the GP. Find the GP. Consider first case. If r is equal to 2, in that case a equal to negative 4 by 3. A equal to negative 4 by 3. In that case what is the GP? First term a minus 4 by 3. Second term AR. So negative 4 by 3 into 2. Negative 8 by 3. Third term negative 8 by 3 into 2. Minus 16 by 3. So multiply by 2. Minus 4 by 3 into 2 minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 into 2 minus 16 by 3. So this is the GP. Now consider the other case. If R equal to negative 2, then A equal to 4. Then what is the GP? First term A 4. Second term 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Again minus 8 into minus 2 16, etc. That is the GP. So when R equal to minus 2, first term 4, then first term into common ratio 4 into negative 2 minus 8. Then minus 8 into minus 2, that is positive 16, etc. So these are the GP in both the different cases. We have to consider each case. Okay.